This thing, is it working?
Yeah, you're good to go.
We're on? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back on the truck. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools, and today we're going to open up the February marketing kit. You see it as I see it. We'll open it up right in front of you. You can see what's inside of here, and then we'll go through the Hot Tools flyer. Looks like we have 2 bundles of the flyer, 4 packs of the receipt backers here. Little envelope, maybe we won something. All right, ain't got no time for that. So we got a little chart here that shows the different rebates. They have featured products for, I don't want to say double rebates, but more of a rebate. For instance, at 5,000, it goes from a 400 rebate to a 900. All Epic roll cabs, select Master Series, select Classic Series, and all intelligent diagnostics for the featured products on the rebates. We have some van signs here, our DVD for February, and our outside van sign. We have the 100th anniversary Epic, 2 side lockers, 68-inch with the riser and the power top. And on the back we have Dream Drive. A lot of Dream Drive stuff going on in the flyer. So let's get these flyers opened up so that you can see what's inside of here. You see it when I see it. I'll get the digital images posted on my Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to take a better peek at these, that's where to do it. So on the cover we have Dream Drive, win it, build it, bring it home. So this is going to be a vehicle built by Factory 5. And as we open up here, they have these cards that are available, and you scratch it off. They have a QR code on there. You can scan it with your phone, enter in so that you can win, or have a chance to win at least, for the car. And they also have a flip lid toolbox. 62 lucky winners will also get a KRSC 46 flip lid roll cart loaded with core, hand, and power tools. On page 3, it shows the Snap-on Dream Drive 2020. Enter early and often. There's 3 drawings. So you have February 15th, which was a couple days ago, March 21st, and April 24th. So make sure if you guys have some dealers out there handing out them cards, get them entered in. Enter early, enter often. All right, page 4. Triple down on productivity. Under the hood light. Now these are all new products. So we have the ECU HD 218. This is a 2100 lumen under the hood lamp. Next we have a 3/8 drive adjustable click type fixed ratcheting torque wrench, and then the 14.4 micro lithium color display cordless temperature gun. And then the history making rebates down below. Through May 1st 2020, get instant rebates up to $3,500. Page 5, 1920 to 2020. Ask how you can get a grip on this limited edition 100th year Snap-on flankered mug. Lay your hands on some history. Show an actual size. Pretty cool mug. On page 6 we have Unleash the Power, Untether Your Torque. Get a $50 trade-in in your choice of a 14.4 micro lithium impact kit. And they're offering the 1/4 inch, the screw gun, and the 3/8 drive micro lithium cordless impact. These are all a kit, so it's going to be the tool, 2 batteries, and the charger involved in that. Next up we got a buy one get one on page 7. So you buy the 7-piece 1/2-inch drive metric swivel, you get the 10-piece 6-point metric shallow impact sockets, and a 4-piece 1/2-inch drive impact extension set. Then they also have the 7-piece 1/2-inch drive 6-point SAE set, which you get the 11-piece SAE set free and the 4-piece extension set free. So a nice buy one get one on page 7. A lot of cutting stuff. Trade in something old and find your new perfect match. Get up to $35 off any tool on this page. So it starts off the top with the cordless grinder. As we come down we have the cordless reciprocating saw, the 1 horsepower 3-inch cutoff tool, the 3-inch cutoff tool, the heavy duty reciprocating saw, and the 14.4 cordless reciprocating saw. All kinds of cutting stuff. Like it says, get up to $35 off when you trade in. Page 9. sockets and screwdrivers that'll make you a star. So we have the mini set available in red, green, or orange. We have the 9-piece Torx set available in red, green, or orange. And then we also have the inverted Torx socket set, 13-piece, a 7-piece 3/8 drive Torx low profile socket set, a 10-piece combination drive Torx bit long set, and the 9-piece combination drive Torx bit heavy duty removal socket set. So a lot of different Torx on there. And on the very bottom there is our favorite kit. We always talk about that. The BLPT HC87. 87-piece Torx and hex bit socket set. A lot of good reviews. I see a lot of stuff online and guys buying that. And they really like that. Great ways to upgrade the base. So we got some shop and tech stuff here. Creeper seat on the top left. We got the rechargeable hands-free neck light available in 4 different colors. The inspection scope, 24-volt digital circuit tester, the car scan code reader, Blue Point bent feeler gauges, and the electronic digital caliper on the bottom. Good mix of stuff there. FJ175. We just talked about that a couple videos back. This is the new aluminum race jack that we have. Increase your capacity, lighten your load. Yeah, we had a few of these on the truck. Gone already. Nice light jack. Still got some power. On the back page, we have a century in the making. The 100th anniversary Epic roll cab. Special limited edition, only 1,920 available. Ask how to get yours today. And they do have all the part numbers on the bottom there for the different components here. For each side locker, the hutch on top. And that, my friends, is your February 2020 Hot Tools and the Snap-on Marketing Kit. I appreciate you spending some time with me tonight. I'm glad to be back, not be sick anymore. I don't know if it was the man cold, the flu, I don't know what the heck it was. Took me out for a little bit. So we'll get back on track and I will see you next time.